Guys, this is the Worx brand 14-inch plug-in electric powered chainsaw from Walmart. An unimpressive looking bit of kit that just did a hell of a lot more work than I would have credited it for. There used to be a really big salt cedar over here, and you can see some of it has still to be cut up into manageable sized chunks, but this gives you an idea just how big this bastard was. And coming over here, if I don't fall off this damn branch, these are some of the cuts it made. The one I'm most impressed with being this one over here. Let's see if I can keep from falling off this damn stump. I climbed my way out of here instead of cutting my way out of here. This damn thing, there's my forearm for perspective. Here's this booger. This thing, every time we had a good blow, would drop branches across my power lines and threaten them. And I got tired of that garbage. Bought that little chainsaw. That's actually the second one of those things I've had. I tore the first one up because I didn't know how to use a chainsaw. But you see the size of some of these trees, branches, even after they've been cut down. There's my foot on a piece of cut. So I'm gonna say for a $50 chainsaw, I'm pretty fucking impressed. I've managed to drop some across my power line myself. Oop, got a phone case in the way. Dropped some across my power line myself a while ago, but that took a quick cut to fix. Anyway, I just felt like this product worked better than I expected it to. I'll give it a little shout out. Take care.